So maybe we're really close to unlocking it. If I change this last bit to 4. Yes. Hello, Marcus Bronzy here from How to Kill an Hour, and today I've been sent a mystery box. All it says on the top is this: content embargo, Wednesday, 25th of May, 6 p.m. BST. Well, we're gonna open the box and put the video out on the 25th of May at 6 p.m. BST. Okay, all right. The first little bit done. Okay. There just seems to be packaging and a green bag. It's a green bag. It has the words. This is from the guys from Sniper Elite 5. Okay, right, it's a new game coming out, so this is some kind of package to do with that. Let's see what goodies are in this bag. The mission briefing says, welcome to the Baker Street Irregulars, recruit. Here is your first assignment. We have every confidence in your abilities to solve this.
Officer Blue Viper is currently assisting a local resistance in a town in France called Colin-sur-Mer and recently smuggled this rucksack, which contains vital intel.
So, long story short, we've got to get the code for an ammo tin, which is in here apparently, and then we've got to work out who is going to be where and when. So, the first thing in the bag is a t-shirt. I don't know how a t-shirt's going to give us a code. Sniper Elite France, like it. That new t-shirt smell. Is there a number on the t-shirt anywhere? Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Here we go. See that there? That, I believe, is what we're looking for. That's a number 9. So we got a 9, but I need a pen to write it down. Oh, we'll get to that, look. But I've got a number. I've got a number now, 9, t-shirt. That was easy. Something tells me the rest of this isn't gonna be as easy. Up next in the bag, we have got this, kind of like a pouch. Like a, yeah. Let's see what's in it, and are there any codes on this? No codes. So we have a code, we have 9, we have the number 9. Oh, here are the maps they were talking about for the second part, so we'll get back to the maps in a bit. Oh, wait, there might be codes on the maps. Let's see if there's codes on the maps. No numbers on the maps. No numbers on the maps at the moment. Okay, cool. That can rest over there then. What else have we got in here? Pen, needed that. Right, before I start putting this code down, let's get that 9 down first. I'm gonna write on the back of the envelope. I'm gonna take some practice notes. So we've got a 9. I've got a 9, written that down as one of our numbers. Right, next up we have, let's get that out of the way. Nothing else in this bag, unless this bag is a clue. Nothing else in this bag. Right, next up we have this, Sniper Elite compass. Yo, this is one of those proper Bear Grylls compasses. There's no numbers on it or anything. Maybe we'll have to use this later, like. But map it. If I've got to use a map and compass to get this, I don't know what's gonna happen. But it is a pretty cool looking compass, though. Look, it's one of those proper ones. I have to use that if I ever get stuck in the desert. Here's the ammo box they were talking about, which has got a padlock on it. There's a padlock here, which I can't, I need the numbers to, but at the moment the padlock has actually got 1946 on it. Just write that down. You never know, somebody might accidentally have left a code on it, right? No. Cool looking ammo box though. But it's got a cool little Sniper Elite logo on it. But I need the code for it. Maybe that at the back means something. Maybe this writing at the back means something, who knows? But my instructions were to get everything out of this bag to see what I could get info on for numbers and stuff. Okay, let's just get all this out. Some dog tags, got a notebook, and a hip flask. Notebook, there's the number 4. So I've got the 4 here. That's the second one I found. I'm noticing there was a 1946 and there's 9 and a 4 here. So maybe that code that we have on that padlock is the wrong code. I'm just saying. Nothing like a hip flask, isn't it? This hip flask, there's actually another number 4. Okay, so that puts my other. So we've got a 944 with dog tags. Ah. On the dog tags, we've got Sniper Elite written on one. And on the other, we've got that number 1 as well. So I've got codes 9441, and apparently there's something in here that's gonna help me work out what the order the codes go in. But we've got the, what does the compass have to do with all this? 1441? This got anything to do with it? No, we've got 9441, 941. That's the current, look, I'll show you on a bit of paper. That's the current code we have, 1946. And the numbers we have will be 1944. So maybe we're really close to unlocking it if I change this last bit to 4. Yes. Okay, inside there's another tin and some paper. Oh, whoops. Documents for that. And some more clues. Okay. Here's my dossier of army information. Oh, I feel like I'm properly in the army. My dossier of army information. I'll read this to you instead of showing it to you. Gentlemen, this is on the 20th of April 1944. But I'll try to keep it short. My darling daughter, I love you. Gustav Schultz, my dear friend, how are things in Paris? It must be nice so far from the front lines, fixing up all of those fancy cars and tanks. I've got a lot of papers here that I've read, all right? Let's try and put this all together. Hauptmann Beckendorf, HB. The reason that we're putting him there is because he revealed he got somebody here, and he said he was going to make he caught somebody who abused their good nature and trust to make deliveries by smuggling contraband information in and out. He'll be continuing to oversee the operation. That was it. And he'll not only be patrolling the same delivery routes to search and interrogate any and all suspects that he and his men find at destinations, but also that cross through our checkpoints at the same day. So he's going to be going to the same places. Because in this letter, we hear about somebody's dad dying. He was doing his usual delivery to the processing plant. Right, so after all that reading, and we fast forwarded through the bits that are boring for you, we've worked out that this letter says a man was killed at the processing plant. This letter says a soldier caught somebody on their route, and will be continuing to go on the same route. So the soldier they want, a soldier called Hauptmann Beckendorf, he's the high-ranking officer that's going to keep going on the same route every single day. And we found out that a man was killed at the processing plant. Hauptmann Beckendorf is going to be at the processing plant on a Thursday, because the processing plant is a place we can get to and kill him. So let's just double check my notes. I don't know why I'm going straight for the kill word. catch, find him out. So they'll be there on a Thursday. The location where they'll be, where the identified target would be, yeah, that's it. Right. What we need to do now is take this, which is our answers from Rebellion. Answers, target, Holtman Beckendorf, Bookham, got that. Location, Thursday's delivery locations. Oh, well, I wrote processing plant, so I guess I didn't really get that right. And delivery day Thursday. There we go. This is all a little bit of fun, just doing some investigative work. Thanks to the guys from Rebellion for sending something other than just like your usual kind of packages. This is a little bit of fun. Shout out to you if you... I don't know what I'm going to do with an ammo box, so I'm going to talk to the guys at Rebellion and see if we can do a giveaway of this cool merch and also a copy of the game. I'm not promising though, because I'm just making this up on the spot. If we can do that, it will be really fantastic, and we'll make sure we put links to those competitions in the description below on this video. We'll probably make it something to do with comment related on this video, or we'll just have a classic old link you click on which you can get a draw for and we'll announce on all social medias. So Rebellion is dropping Sniper Elite 5, which is out on, I believe, the 26th of May. That's when it's out on Xbox Game Pass. It's on Game Pass, nice. Xbox One, Series X and S, PlayStation 4 and 5, Epic Games Store, Steam and Windows Store. Wow, that's a little bit of fun. Time for some chocolate rations. I've been Marcus Bronzy. This has been How to Kill an Hour. This has been another episode of What's in the Box, and we'll be with you soon. Peace.